How to add images to data cards in Power BI. First, insert a card visual. Open Power BI Desktop and the Visualizations pane, click Card, and then drag your measure, such as sales or revenue, into the Values field. Step 2. Open the Format pane. Select the card, click the Format Visual, which is the paint roller icon, and stay on the Visual tab. Step 3. Turn on the image. Expand the image section, turn image on, and upload an image source. You can either upload an image directly, an image URL, or image from data. Then step 4, upload or link your image. If you're uploading, select upload image, then click browse and choose your image from your computer. If you're using a URL, paste the image URL. Adjust image fit, transparency, and effects as desired. Step 5. Use images from your data. And this is optional. If every card should show a different image, select your image URL column, go to column Tools, Data Category, Image URL, then return to the card and choose image from data as the source. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.